Hey guys, wanna know how to create an Instagram story just by using BeFunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your BeFunky application or go through your website. The choice is yours. Once you're there, you can either choose photo editor or graphic designer. So for this video, for easiness, I'll go for graphic designer. So on the left side, head towards templates. Click on it, and right here click on search templates. Now on the left side you can see the search bar. Just simply search off and then press this search button right here, and here you'll be provided various templates for it. You can choose any one just like this and then click on use this template. Make sure the resolution is 1080 x 1920 pixels. Now once you've clicked on use this template, your template should load and you should be freely able to edit it. And that's it. It's super simple and easy as that. You can import images and do much more now. And once you're done, to save, just simply click on the save icon and save it on your computer or any way that you like. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.